Let's make some blackberry syrup. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make some blackberry syrup. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's hard to believe I've not made a video for blackberry syrup before. It's one of my wife's favorite fruits, and I make it a lot. Why haven't I made a video? Who knows. As with a lot of recipes, especially syrups, I look them up online to see what I need to do. And I kind of compile all the recipes I find, and I find out what works for me based on what I see, and this is what works for me. I also like simple ratios, and this one is a 1:1:1. So it's going to be 1 part blackberries, 1 part sugar, and 1 part water. And I'm doing a little bit of unit shuffling, or not shuffling, sleight of hand. I've got 6 ounces, which is weight of blackberries, and I'm going to put that into my saucepan. I have 6 ounces of sugar, which I'm going to put in my saucepan. And this is a volume, not a weight. And then 6 ounces of water, which is clearly a volume. And put that in my saucepan. So 1:1:1. If you have if you want more blackberry flavor, feel free to add more blackberries or cut back on the sugar and the water a little bit. In any case, we're going to take this to the stovetop. Now that we're at the stovetop, we're going to turn on the heat and set it to medium, and we're going to bring all of this to a simmer over this medium heat. I'll be right back with you. Now that it's simmering, I'm going to mush the blackberries. Blackberries mushed, I'm going to let them continue to simmer for another 6 to 8 minutes until the blackberries kind of dissolve. I'm going to stir continually the whole time. We'll see in a little bit. About 7 minutes later, and the blackberries are ready. They're not really disintegrated or dissolved. They're kind of disincorporated. In any case, this is about right. I'm going to remove them from the heat and let them sit until they cool to room temperature. We'll see in a bit. Now that the mixture is cool, there's only one thing left to do, and that is strain, bottle, label, and refrigerate. And I do have a new setup. I found this jelly strainer set at the local hardware store. It's from Norpro. I haven't tried it with the blackberry syrup yet, but I've tried it with some other things and it seems to work. So I'm going to try it with this. Check the subtitles down below to see if it actually works. And if it does work, I'll leave a link so you can pick one up yourself. But yeah, we're going to dump this in here. It seems to be going through. And then to label, I'll strain this in later, and I do have these new fancy bottles, so that means I'm going to be using a fancy label, which is called masking tape. Perfect. Blackberry. 1:1:1. What day is today? 06, 07, 25. And there you have it, blackberry syrup. Enjoy. Question of the day, do you have a straining setup? If so, let me know what you use down below. I'd love to know. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're there, you might as well follow, like, subscribe, do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, enjoy.